Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make a quick sandwich which is slightly different from the regular ones that we eat, and this is going to be a cold sandwich, so please serve it cold. There's very less cooking involved. The ingredients list for this recipe is given in the description box below. So I've got more such sandwich recipes on my channel, so do check it out and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. So let's jump into the quick recipe. So first we need the filling, for which I've got some green peas and carrot here. I've parboiled the green peas and then mashed it. Same with the carrot, I've parboiled it and chopped it finely. I've also got some paneer which I've chopped finely. So this is the things that we are using in the filling. So let's start making the filling. So I've got some garlic cheese spread here in a bowl. I'm going to add the veggies into this cheese spread. So in goes the carrot, in goes the paneer, and then the green peas. Now we'll add the seasonings, that is salt and pepper. Instead of pepper, you can also use green chillies, which you can chop finely, or jalapenos, which will add a kind of a zing to the sandwich. So I'm mixing everything together. And our filling is ready to be used. To make the sandwich, I've taken 2 slices of bread and I've lightly buttered both the slices just from the outside. Sorry, just from the inside, and then I'm topping it with the filling. Make sure you generously fill the slice of the bread with the filling. Once that's done, take the other slice of bread, top this one. Now we'll just remove the edges or the crust of the sandwich and then cut it into 2 pieces like this, and our super easy and quick sandwich is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how you found it, and don't forget to check the other sandwich recipes on my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.